Hola mi gente, how's it going? My name is Timba Aguilar, and in this video we'll be doing another salsa basic variation called Lateral Quebrado. Make sure to subscribe for more educational but entertaining videos. Without further ado, que comience la fiesta! Alright mi gente, before we begin, let me show you a quick demo of how Lateral Quebrado, or also known as the side break, looks with music. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, E. Alright mi gente, let's do this nice and slow. We're going to do first a lateral, just a side basic first, and then we'll do lateral quebrado. So here we go, nice and slow, doing this in the leader perspective. Lateral, 5, 6, nice and slow. Left leg we go 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, one more lateral, and 1, 2, 3, here we go. We're going to break it, 6, 7, left leg twice. We go 1, 2, 3, again, and 5, 6, now right foot twice. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, lateral, quebrado. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, una más, y 1, 2, 3, lateral, y 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, one more, y 1, 2, 3, ahí nada más. Alright mi gente, so when doing lateral quebrado, you want to make sure you're actually bringing momentum to the center. Sometimes you can be overshooting your momentum by going 1, 2, 3, and then you lose your balance like so, right? So make sure that you're doing 1, 2, bring your center, and then 5, 6, 7, then 1, 2, center, and then 5, 6, 7. So center your momentum. Try not to overdo it or overshoot it, right? Because then from there you'll slip and fall. All right. So make sure you're 1, 2, centering, and then 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, center, and then 5, 6, 7, and now regular lateral. 5, 6, 7. Let's try it with music now. We'll do it slow first and then full speed. Here we go. 5, 6, lateral, half time. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, quebrado. Left leg twice. 2, 3, again, and 5. Now right foot twice. Here we go. 1, 2, otra vez. Y 5, 6. Here we go. Quebrado. 1, 2, 3, left. 5, 6, right foot twice now. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, double time lateral. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 5, 6, 7, 1, 5, 6, 7 y 2, quebrado y 1, 5, 6, 7, 2, 5 otra vez y 1, 5, 6, 7, 2, 5, 6, 7, 1, lateral, 1 y allí nada más. Alright mi gente, that will conclude our lesson for today. Thank you so much for joining me. I truly appreciate it. To support the channel, make sure to smash that like button, drop a comment down below, and hit that bell notification to be the first ones to know when a brand new video is uploaded to the channel. If you haven't seen our previous videos, we have a nice little playlist right here for you, so you can check out all the basics that we've done in the variations, and then add this new variation in your back pocket. Until then, my name is Seabert. This is Timba Heat Dance Company. Keep dancing, my friends. Y hasta la próxima.